Let's show you now how to get the battery out of your carbon monoxide detector for the alarm system. First thing you're going to do is twist the head of the detector off of the back plate. Should just be a little turn counterclockwise. Remove the face of the detector from the back plate, and when you flip that over, you'll see the little battery on the compartment here. You remove that battery. That is a 3-volt lithium battery. That's a 123A. Once you have that battery out, go ahead and replace it with your new battery. Orientation should be labeled on the device. Pop the new battery in. Once it's seated in there all the way, go ahead and reconnect it to the back plate. Just gently spin it around until you feel it kind of seat into position, and then give it a good click clockwise. There's no marking on the actual head of the detector to line up with the back plate, so if you pay attention to where this little hole is on the edge of the detector, that should be in line with this little ridged piece on the plate that's on the ceiling. So seat that on there and you're good to go.